Hey guys, Jason De La Rosa here, and it's time for another unboxing. This time, let's unbox something as beautiful as her and Disney magic itself. Moana's doll. You know, I think it's one of the rare Disney movies where both the character and voice actress are beautiful. I mean, take a look at her. Anyway, it's time for the unboxing. You should check out my last unboxing video for all my subscribers and everyone else on YouTube. This was made by Hasbro. And that's a reminder of beauty here. Collect all 12 dolls. I think every time we go to Walmart, I'm gonna do just that. I can feel her getting unboxed. Let's get these nasty things off your beautiful hair, babe. I can feel it. Excuse me, folks. There we are. And with that beautiful Moana joins equally beautiful Princess Poppy in my Dolls of Beauty collection, which I'm planning to expand in the future. Anyway, that's all for this video. See you guys next time.